So, a friend of mine and me were out shooting our Swedish Mausers. His is a it isn't a proper Mauser, but it's chambered in 6.5 by 55 Swede. And I took out my CG63 and I was shooting that RWS match stuff, and ooh, I'm a fanboy of it. But I'm down to my last 50 rounds, such as it goes. So I went and loaded some previously. So I took that out at the same time so I could compare, because I want to see the best way that I can make it out to 1 kilometer for the milk jug challenge. And then from there, I went and ran these Lapua 139 Sonars, which are, ooh, they're supposed to be the end all be all for bullets for this thing, unless I want to start really getting expensive. And I was getting a lot of speed out of them, too much speed, and I was getting pressure signs. So I went and struck all that stuff down. And a while ago, I was at the local gun shop in the land of the big smoke, and there was a estate sale there. Somebody had passed away, and one of the shop owners had gotten a bunch of his stuff. And some of the stuff included a Space Master spotting scope. Yeah, snagged that at $50. That's a deal. And then I saw the Lyman weigh scale, and I decided, yeah, that's a good price for it at $20, and I scooped that up. Even though I'd just gone out a couple months before and bought myself a new digital scale. My old one expired on me. And then I went and tried out the Lyman, and it's bang on for weight. So when I struck down all the ammunition, I did up another ladder test, and I hope to have video out on that early next week. My friend and I have said on Christmas Eve we're going to go to the range and do a little bit of plinking before our passes expire, and then I'll renew my range pass, so I get the new updated fob, because we're on a RFID system. Pretty nice when it works. There's a lot less interlopers, and we're having a lot less problems up at our range. Anyway, peace be with you. Best of the season. Like, subscribe, and comment.